In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear cache in Godaddy. So the first step is to go to your product. So you just have to go to your account, then click on my products. And then from here, we're gonna have to scroll down and go to our website. So as you can see, I have this one. So we just have to click on manage. Now, after we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply go to the website, then click on overview, and then we just have to click on edit to website. Now, once we are in the website builder, we're gonna have to press Ctrl+Shift+R on our keyboard, and then on MacBook, we're gonna have to press Command+Shift+R. Now, basically, this will clear the cache files. Now, if you still get the error once you are in the website builder, what we're gonna have to do is simply go to our browser settings. So click on settings in your browser, and then from here you just have to go to privacy and security, delete browsing data, and then here we can select all time, and then simply choose only cached images and files, and then click on delete data, and then you can go back to your website and everything should be fixed. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.